Hello traders. Hello traders. I hope you can hear me. Okay, that's fine. Hello traders. Hello traders. Today is the 27th of March 2011, and this video is for educational purposes only. It is neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. Okay, and we have here the 60-minute chart of the USD yen currency pair. And what I'm going to talk to you about in this video is regarding the difference between a trading system and a trading robot. Okay, because traders will sometime ask this question to know the difference between a trading system and a trading robot. Okay, a trading robot, okay, is a system, is a trading system that has been converted, okay, into automatic trading software. I repeat, a trading robot is a trading system that has been converted into automatic trading software. Okay, so for instance, if I say to you, I build a trading system that I say, if the exponential moving average 5 cross the exponential moving average 9, okay, that's a signal. Okay, so then I will build a software that that will be based on that trading system of 5 crossing the 9. Okay, so that's a simple trading system that I can perfectly convert into a trading robot, which means a trading software which you will download, okay, and put on your computer and trade it, and the software will give you the signal and you will just take the signal. Okay, but the point I want to make is that if I build, okay, the trading robot, okay, and you purchase it from me, okay, I will not reveal to you the system behind the trading robot. That's the biggest issue. I will not reveal to you that my trading robot is based on the fact that is when the 5 goes below the 9, you sell, and when the 5 goes above the exponential moving the 9, you buy. I will not reveal that to you. I will say to you that when you see a green arrow, buy. When you see a red arrow, sell. And you will go in front of your computer. And also, I will not tell you when is the best time to trade the system, and whether you should pay attention to the economy news or the adjustment in the market, whether a very important news is about to be released. You will know, you will just take your signal mechanically like a robot. Okay, and as a TSTW24 trader, we do not recommend a trading robot. We recommend a trading system. Now, a trading system, okay, will reveal to traders, okay, the signal. Why you take this signal? So it will tell the trader that it's when the 5 crosses above the 9 that you buy. So you know it. You know yourself. Okay, and also the system can reveal to you what you need to be aware of when it's the best time to trade the system. Okay, so the system will reveal to you everything that you need to know, and if the person who is selling the trading system make he himself or herself available for you to ask him more questions about the trading system, that's excellent. So you know what this involves, so you know the system, you understand it, and you own it. That's the key word, to own the system. It becomes yours. So I build the system, you bought it, you learn it, you understand it the same way like myself, and you own it. The process of buying to owning is very important. Sometimes traders go and buy a trading system and they never own it because they never learn to master it and use it like the person who built it. If you buy a trading system and you do not own it, you waste your money. Simple. Okay, very important. And you have to make sure you buy a valid trading system, a system that is based on the price and the stable data in the market. You are never trading the indicator, you are always trading the price. Get that right all the time and remember that, and you are on your way out of the wood. Very important. If you want to trade a robot, go and get one and trade a robot. I'm not saying that all the trading robots are useless. If you want to learn to trade and understand it, become a professional trader, trade like a pro, that's perfectly okay. There are some people, depending on their age levels, okay, and they are happy with the performance of the robot, they go and buy it, they use it. Okay, that's fine. or they trust the person who told them to buy, and they buy it. So they use it. But you can perfectly build a trading system yourself and convert it into a software, automatic software. But the gorgeousness of that is that you know the system behind your robot. So you can build it yourself, and you know that this is my system and it's my robot, and you know the system behind the robot. This is what we are talking about. But when you have a trading system, the book is open for you. There's no black box. You know what is going on behind the scene. And if you are better trader, sometimes we see some trading system people post on the internet, but they make a few mistakes, and you know straight away that these people who build the system do not understand few things. But the idea behind the system is alright. But I mean, a system is better than no system at all. This is the key. Every professional trader have a trading system. A system is better than no system at all. A useless system is better than no system at all. Some traders trade and they don't have a system. So you see that they use these tactics today, tomorrow they use another tactics tomorrow, and they start thinking and say, which one should I use now? Okay, now it looks like this one, they use this one, and then they come back. They don't have a system. I mean, that's not the right way to do it. To put it simple way to you. On this 60-minute chart of the USD yen, I built a very simple robot system here with the stochastic A33. Now, what I'm going to do now, I'm not going to tell you how the system is built. So it's part is like you are training a robot. All I'm saying to you is that when you see a red arrow like this here, you sell. Here you see there was a red arrow, you sell, you are rewarded. So you see, this robot is powerful, so you are rewarded nicely here. Here I tell you again, there was a red arrow here. My robot that I built, which is here on my chart in here, is saying red arrow sell, you sell. See, hey, that's fantastic. This George Trio robot is powerful. You are rewarded, but you miss this opportunity here. But if you forget, you didn't close this trade quickly, you are out with this tall candle because you do not understand few things. But this time, the TSTW24 traders will kick you out because they will be busy creaming the market to the upside. If you stay too long thinking that it's going to go down more, because you don't know where you're going to stop. Okay, because you don't understand the language of the price, you don't understand the language of the momentum, you sell. Okay, fine, take profit quickly before it's too late. Okay, so here this is the problem. But somebody who understands the language of the price, the language of the momentum, and understand the system that they are using, will know what's happening here and will buy at this point in time and go up. Okay, so you receive again another signal here to sell by my robot. Okay, so this is my George Trio robot, and now you are rewarded and you are happy here again. But I did not tell you here to buy, so you are out. If you don't close your trade thinking that it's going to go down more, you can be in trouble. So you should be able to take profit quickly. Okay, so here again my robots green light show up here to buy. You buy one candle, hope you take profit. Otherwise this one, the red one, will take you out. Okay, here again my green arrow performing perfectly up. Say buy, you buy, it went up. Okay, but it didn't tell you here to sell. But if you stay too long, this one will take you out. Here you say buy again, it went up. Okay, you must take profit quickly. Okay, so but if you are using this system and you know that you should take profit at resistance support level, you may get away with it. Okay, so again here it say buy, the price went up. It say here, look at this candle here, it say buy, but look, the price went down, didn't go down, losing trend. So my robot so far is not doing too bad. Okay, now this is not a robot that I use or I sell. I just created right now with my software here to show you the difference between a trading robot and a trading system, and the advantage of using a trading system instead of using a trading robot. Here my system say buy, okay, it went up. My robot say buy, you buy, it went up. Here it says sell, the price went horizontal. But you are just taking the signal blindly. Here it's telling you buy, and the price ignore the buy signal, it went down. Here it says sell, fantastic. You see, it went down nicely. Okay, here again it said to use buy, so you come out here because you receive a sell. Now I say buy, you come out here. Not too bad. Okay, you survive. But then what you gain in this, you give back some if you don't close this trade quickly here. Okay, my signal completely ignore this gorgeous signal here to buy. Okay, there was a signal to sell here on the top here, but there was no signal at all here to buy this gorgeous move fast to the upside. So you miss this one here, so you'll be just wondering what's going on. But if you bought this one here, Okay, unless you stay too long in the trend, the price went very, very fast. Okay, that was a good signal here. After this green candle, because the candle will close before you will see the arrow. So this signal here, this candle will close here before you see the green arrow. Here also, remember that, okay? So this green candle here will close before you will see this green arrow, not before. It doesn't tell you, it doesn't show the green light here straight away. You will see a green candle from up, this candle close before you will see this green candle. So you are entering the trade here, right there. Okay, so you went up. It's not from here, you take it from here because the signal was given after this candle is closed. Okay, you see. Now moving on, just seeing how the consistency of my system here. Okay, there was a signal to buy. Look, shoo, down. So this is a losing trend. Again, say buy, losing trend. Say buy, it went up a bit, but went horizontal. Say buy, it went up a bit, going down. Say buy, went down. You see. So you start getting trouble. That's where a lot of people will dump the robot and start looking for a new, powerful, the best and the most popular trading robot. They will dump their trading robot and look for a trading robot because they do not understand the system behind the robot. They do not know the language of the product. They don't know what's going on, and they will criticize the robot. They will criticize everybody else, and because they fail to understand, because during that time it's all losing. Buy, price went down. Buy, price went down. Buy, price went up a bit. Okay, that's not too bad. Buy, price went down. Buy, it went up a bit and come back. Buy, it went up a bit, come back. Buy, it went up a bit and then come down here, and the person start getting a bit edgy. Okay, here is a sell. This one was successful. So during that time, okay, going to the mind of trader, because trading is a psychological game. The mindset, a losing, consistent losing time, put pressure on the trader. Okay. So this is a trading robot that I built. This is what happened. But somebody who understands using the TSTW24 trading system or the TSTWSY08 trading system or the TSTWSY00A trading system, not trading robot, will understand what is going on and will avoid giving back all the hard-earned money during this period. Okay. So you see, beginning everything was nice and sweet. Okay. But here, look what the robot did. Okay. So this is it. And because you do not understand, here is telling you to buy here. I mean, the price went up a bit only to come back down. Okay, but there was a sell here. Okay, but if you were stubborn a bit, you will be rewarded, because if you place your stop loss a bit far away when they give a sell signal here, you may survive this one. Okay, but straight away it's telling you to buy here. Going to this video is about comparing a trading robot and a trading system. So now I think you have the picture about a trading system and a trading robot. Here is saying sell with the red arrow, sell. Okay, and here is a buy. That's not bad. That's a good buy. But straight away still sell. No. Here sell, not bad. Okay, sell. You see. Here buy, not bad. Okay, so there are times when the system will perform very well, but because you do not understand what's going on, you are likely to give back all you have earned and get frustrated and dump it when it's about to give a good signal. Okay, so I mean, you are trading in fact like a blind. It's not bad my robot, isn't it? Maybe I should sell it to you, but I'm not doing that. I don't sell to robots. Okay, so you see here, it's a buy. It went up a bit only to come down because you are buying in the wrong zone. This is a bearish zone. See, price will rally up. Bear were waiting up here for you to sell you down, and that's what they did. Okay, you see, again, you are just working. If you are taking this sort of signal, you are just working for the bear, because the price in the downtrend and the bear are positioning themselves, like Irish dancer, at the edge. Okay, of the downtrend. Okay, so you buy here, bring in the price here, they sold it down. You say, oh no, what's happened? Okay, now you give you again another buy. You are courageous. You say, okay, this time it worked, because the signal will be given to you after the green candle is completed. After this candle is completed right there, you are buying right there when people are selling you down. It's not here. You are not buying at the bottom here. You are buying after the green candle is completed. That's when you will see the green arrow showing on your screen. So you are buying when people are selling you exactly there. Here again, after this green candle here, the bear will position themselves to sell. You are buying again down. Here again, the bear position themselves and they are selling you down. And this is the trouble with the trading robot. And it's not, unless you build it on yourself. And the bank use a trading robot and they build it themselves. They build it. They know the system behind it. A person who is smart will want to buy a trading system. Will say, can we have the system behind your robot? And the person who built it will say no. They will say to you, no, you can't have the system. I mean, you can have the system, then don't trade the robot. That's what they say to you. You can't have the system, because they don't want to reveal to you they will say intelligent or the blah blah blah, but the bank have their system, and the system they build it into robot. Like now, I have this kind of a robot that I built, if I like to call it that way, and I know why I have a red, why they have a green. If I understand the language of the price, I understand the language of the momentum, I can use this robot and avoid when it's telling me here to buy. I will just ignore it because I have the key myself. Okay, I know the language of the price, I know the language of the momentum, I know the language of the market. So I will not take every signal and the robot controlling me. No, I want to control the robot. You see, anything that you are using, try to control it. Okay, but sometimes the point that I can make in this video also is that sometimes some traders, the way their mind function, they are better off using trading robot, because these people, they are what we call a followers. Okay, they like to take orders, so they are looking in fact for a robot, but they go and buy a trading system. What these people should do, okay, is to have a trading system that they understand very well and then build it into robot. So they are taking the signal, but they understand the system behind it. That's what they should do. But we see sometimes when traders buy a trading system and they try to trade a trading system exactly like a robot. So they say that, oh, the book says that when a stochastic is oversold, that's the only time you have to buy. No. When you are writing a trading system, you give traders the high probability trade setup. Okay, so do not trade a trading system like a trading robot. But we understand it because traders have different set of mind. This is not to criticize anybody. People have different mindset. Myself, I'm aggressive trader. That's what I am. I'm aggressive trader. I enter the trade before the candle close until I learn to control that kind of pattern of myself. Okay, that's what I was doing. I was aggressive trader. Okay, I see the signal is about to form. I don't wait for the signal to form properly, and I jump into the trade. But it was not working until I changed myself. I changed myself. So there is a way to be done on your side. Okay, do not blame everybody else except yourself. At one point, you must look inside yourself and see what is wrong. It's nothing wrong with that. It's just to get it right, and that's what I did myself. So I'm an aggressive trader. That's what I was doing. I can tell you I bought a trading robot at one point, and during that time I was losing so much, so I said to myself I will buy a trading robot and that's it. And the system was giving me similar signal like this. I would say red, and they showed me all the performance of it, and I was quite happy. But the first day that I took it, believe me, it's all wrong signal that I took. But then I give it up. Few days later I look back, it gave excellent signal also. But the problem I had at that point is that I do not know how to understand the whole thing about the robot. And also I was lacking a lot of experience about the market. The gap in the market, when is the best time for day trading, what I should look for, the economy news, and all the rest. It counts. Okay? So a trading system will empower the trader and give to him the knowledge and the ability, okay, to trade. So you understand what is going on, you are in charge of it. So when the trading system said to you to buy, you look, you yourself as a trader, making a decision and say, is he looking at the risk reward ratio, is he worthy entering the trade? Yes, the signal is a valid signal, but is he worthy entering the trade? Again, you receive a buy signal, you watching your system, you know that this buy signal is in the wrong place, in a resistance zone, because you check the higher time frame. You don't want to take that because you know, are we in a resistance zone or the market has approached a very important resistance level? I don't want to swing trade to the upside. But you are using a swing trading system when the market is a critical, very important resistance level, and you are only looking for bullish candidate taking bullish signal. Yes, the signal is true, but the market is at a very important resistance zone when the professional are busy looking for opportunity to sell. No, you don't swing trade in those zones. You day trade instead. On the other hand, if you receive, you are looking for candidate to sell, and the market is a very critical support level, like we have for the USD yen now, you are not to swing trade to the downside. You may see signal for selling to the downside, but do not ignore the stable data that is an important psychological price level. It's a stable data. So that's the right way to use a trading system, okay, in order to create a market. But it doesn't happen in 1 week. You must be willing to do it and learn to do it gradually. Gradually. Traders go to different stages when they are trading, okay? It's not the same way they are. They are moving forward, okay? They may look back and laugh and say, this is what I was doing before, like I'm doing now. So don't take it like, this guy is too proud, he's talking nonsense, all this. Don't take it that way, okay? This is an educational video and we are addressing different issues, okay? So, we just try to help each other, okay? So, I hope you enjoyed this video about the difference between a trading system and a trading robot, okay? Thank you for watching and speak to you very soon.